Little mouth and your satanic little body.
Text Juliet and Raj 56789. Join the conversation.
Why are you breaking? Good thing I'm not an idiot and that I turn into the proper lane, otherwise you would have totally cut me off. Nice blinker. You have a stop sign.
Falling. They're coming over. What's the first
That's
thing
a horrible
you do?
parking job.
This is the Juliet and Raj show. Join the conversation.
Ring a cleaner ASAP.
Text Juliet and Raj.
That's a stop sign, cyclist.
56789. Join the conversation. Now ring.
Oh, that was close. There's nobody even behind them.
I find it again. I can't put a name to it, but somebody said go on vacation if it's my in-laws.
Oh,
Woo.
you just happened to book a day trip?
Shots fired.
Sorry, we're out of town that weekend. Oh, what about the weekend after? You know what? George has a work thing. We've got.
Now I'm kind of flattered. I learned that my weakness is a weapon anyway. So I haven't
Nice
touched
blinker.
a pretty thing in 40 days.
Oh, you too. Nice blinker. Can't signal again.
Oh, I like the view. Every single time I look at you. They wish you kind of proper. Wish you like a soldier girl. But I know you're softer. Why you looking so concerned? I know you don't like. Now, yeah, I get what I want.
Ah, it's a red light. That's a red light.
Girl, set you hallelujah. Girl, set you hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you.
Oh.
'Cause Uptown
I don't know if the camera caught the last second decision from the second lane from the right.
don't believe me, just why. Before we leave, let me sing a little something. Uptown Funk you up.
That's interesting. Very interesting indeed.
Uptown Funk you up.
I was floating like ghost stew. I
Okay, it worked. Either that or he flashed me back. There's a sign right next to you saying you can't park there.
Nobody really liked me for the voice on it.
Okay, let's hear it.
Hello?
What the hell?
I can't
What
hear.
are you
Hello?
doing?
Just kidding. Leave a message.
You're an idiot.
That would...
Didn't even slow down. Use hand signal.
Temperature
That
Jeff
lady behind me, she's
says,
feeling
what about
crazy.
feeding and calving cows when it's minus 40 and colder? Hope you like it.
Why do people think it's a good idea to stop on the side of the highway? I see it. Oh, he's not stopped. He's just going like 10 or something.
To protect your health and promote your wellness through every age and stage of life. Get a plan to meet your needs and your budget. Contact
Seriously?
Alberta Blue Cross today.
Asks, what's something to look for in a new air conditioner? Well, one thing to consider is the SEER rating. A higher SEER means a more efficient system. Trust Reliance to help you make the right choice. And right now, get a new air conditioner with 0% financing for 24 months. Plus, ask about our next day or we pay $500 installation guarantee. When you need help fast.
This person's past the stop line. Completely, actually.
So
I see you're not signaling
my
again.
Look
how far out she is.
Has a ton of cavities, which is super frustrating. Are any of you like we use an electric toothbrush?
I wonder how
I
much
brush
dust
her
is
teeth
accumulated
twice
on
a day. Like,
that
without
lever.
her doing it, we floss, and still she has from a family member, a complete stranger,
Co-workers.
a co-worker. Yeah. Send us a text 56789 or give us a call.
Call Juliet and Raj 489
That person didn't signal.
4669. Join the conversation.
Did you see that last second decision?
Yeah.
That guy was going way too fast as well. Oh, Jesus. Oh,
Put
dear.
your four-ways on, John.
That is a horrible place to
Oh,
stop.
their car broke down. They had no choice.
I mean, true, but they need their hazards on at
I
least.
know, they don't have none of either of them.
Oh, Jesus. Oh,
Put
dear.
your four-ways on, John.
That is a horrible place to
Oh,
stop.
their car broke down. They had no choice.
I mean, true, but they need their hazards on at
I
least.
know, they don't have none of either of them.
Is now open at the Premium Outlets by Edmonton International Airport.
I'm pretty sure that's
Discover
red.
unbelievable deals on the latest. Whether you want to lose 10 pounds, 50 pounds, or more, our team of nurses and doctors will ensure that your weight loss is
We got
healthy
another
and
red light runner
long-lasting.
there.
So stop struggling and start succeeding. To learn.
Are you going to... You probably have a stop sign, I'm assuming.
Yep.
Or you totally ran it.
Or
Just
something.
wanted to give a shout out to the
Why are
best
you moving
dad,
your motorbike like that
best
far out?
weekend
Dude, you have your...
ever. P.S. His name is Brian.
Someone's gonna hit it.
I don't know. Best
I would not feel bad.
Brian, the best spaghetti cook. That's a good burger.
It's good.
There's no way those headlights are legal.
Raj, it's really good.
It's a really good burger.
What is that person up there doing?
No. Not using her brain, obviously.
We only got one.
that's the one right there. The guy behind me is driving on the wrong side. Are you
You're not supposed to park right here. That's way too close to a corner.
That's way too close to a corner, yeah.
We'll have free snacks and refreshments. And we even hired this professional party instrumentalist. She was very
Just excessively. To this day on my left leg, you can clearly see where the Band-Aid was. Are you sure you didn't put waxing?
What are you doing? You're not in your lane. You're drifting.
Text Juliet and Raj 56789.
Somebody stop past the stop line. You're also past the stop line. That's not legal. Oh, Waze is even warning me that that's a cop. I mean, I don't need those warnings anyways, but... Whoa.
Oh, that was not my phone.
Jesus.
That was close.
I'm losing my